देखते हैं medicalinformation.com। आज हमारा टॉपिक जो है ग्रोथ हार्मोन है। ग्रोथ हार्मोन आज हम इसकी केमिस्ट्री और इसकी फिजियोलॉजी थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करते हैं। चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं इसकी केमिस्ट्री से। ग्रोथ हार्मोन की नेचर जो है वो प्रोटीन है और 191 अमीनो एसिड पर मुश्तमिल है और इसकी मॉलिक्यूलर वेट जो है 22,005 मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है इसका। ओके, अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं इसकी रेगुलेशन से। There are two type of factor in our body. One is stimulatory factor and the second one is inhibitory factor. Stimulatory factor are those factor which stimulate the secretion of growth hormone. The first one is hypoglycemia. Whenever there are glucose concentration decrease in the blood, so this condition we call hypoglycemia. And the second factor is stress, and the last factor जो है exercise. And these all factor the glucose, the body need more glucose. So that why these factors stimulate hypothalamus to secrete growth hormone releasing factor. When growth hormone releasing factor are secreted from the hypothalamus, then it stimulate anterior pituitary gland to secrete growth hormone. When growth hormone are secreted from the anterior pituitary gland, then it stimulate a liver to secrete somatomedian C. Then some function will perform by somatomedian C. Somatomedian C will stimulate linear growth of the bone. The first by which way? First increase uptake of an amino acid into the bone. The second step is increase protein synthesis inside the bone. And the third step ये है कि collagen synthesis भी increase करते हैं inside the bone and also increase the bone size and their number inside the bone. By this way, so growth hormone increase the linear growth of the muscle. This is the first function of the growth hormone. The second function of the growth hormone is to increase the growth of the muscle. This stimulation will done by somatomedian C. Somatomedian C will stimulate uptake of amino acid into the muscle and also increase the protein synthesis inside the muscle. So by this way, growth hormone increase the growth of muscle. The third function of the growth hormone is to increase blood glucose level by two ways: glycolysis, the splitting of glycogen. By the splitting of glycogen inside the liver, this process will occur, and then the glucose will secreted from the liver into the blood. And the second function is glycogenolysis, glyconeogenesis. By the glyconeogenesis, the fat will converted into the glucose. By these two steps, the blood glucose level will increase. The fourth function of the growth hormone is to increase insulin resistance. The function of glucose hormone is there to increase blood glucose level, while the function of insulin is to increase the entrance of glucose from the blood into the cells. So the function of insulin is opposite that of the growth hormone. So that why growth hormone will increase resistance to insulin. Then all these are the function of growth hormone. The first function is that it increase the linear growth of the bone, then increase the muscle growth, and the third one it increase the glucose level in the blood and also increase the resistance to insulin. Now we discuss inhibitory factor of growth hormone. पहले हम we discussed that the function of growth hormone to increase the blood glucose level. So this condition we call hypoglycemia and obesity and somatomedian C. Somatostatin. Somatostatin is an inhibitory factor of growth hormone. So in the blood glucose level will high. So in this condition will these factors stimulate hypothalamus. Hypothalamus will secrete growth hormone inhibitory factor. This inhibitory factor will stimulate anterior pituitary gland to inhibit the growth secretion of growth. Now we come to the high level of growth hormone. In adult, high level of growth hormone cause acromegaly. In acromegaly, the abnormal growth will occur. The normal growth, the bone will increase their length, the normal level, and the nose will grow forward, and the face structure will be large. And the acromegaly person, while in the childhood, when the growth hormone concentration high in the childhood, so this condition we call gigantism. And the gigantism, the child will be more growth than the normal person. When the growth hormone level decrease from normal, in the child it cause dwarfism, and adult it cause decrease in the body growth. So this is about the growth hormone.